In the last session, we have seen the project setup on the VS Code IDE, and we have run the existing project on the connected device, that is iOS, right? So in this session, we will see how to connect an Android device with VS Code, and then how to run that existing project on the connected Android device, right? So this is the basic uh, importance of VS Code. Like, by using of VS Code, we are able to run the project on both the platforms, like Android device or iOS simulator. But if you are using Android Studio, then you are only able to run your project on Android device. That's why I prefer to use a VS Code IDE for Flutter development. So let's start. We have already imported this demo project. So for running on the Android emulator, first you have to connect uh, your VS Code with Android emulator. By clicking on this, we have this Android emulator setup. So first we will connect it with VS Code by clicking on this. Android device will launch, and it will be connected with your VS Code IDE. So just wait for some time to get start the Android simulator. Then we will run our project on this device. It will take some time to start the device as it's booting. Okay, so now you can see that connected device here. This is the name of this connected emulator, Android emulator. Okay, so now I'm going to run this demo project on the connected device. By clicking on run without debug, Dart and Flutter plugin. It will take some time to generate the build and deploy on the device. It's launching. It will take some time. So till this video we are covering uh, all the setup of Flutter and IDs setup and the connected devices, and how to run the Flutter project on cross platforms or both kind of platforms. So after this video, we will we are good to go to see the code of the Flutter, and we will deep down the Flutter code, and we will learn the flow of the Flutter and the syntax of the Dart language. So now you can see the project is running on the connected device Android. So we have seen like the same project running on Android device and iOS device. So it is very simple. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel and like and comments, so in future we can uh, more videos. So thanks for watching.